Hi everyone, Jane here from Jenny and Teddy. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to make Keep Me Warm cocoon cardigan. This cardigan is made from one piece of rectangle. What you will need to make them is a crochet hook size 6mm and yarn. I'm using two strands of yarn when I am crochet. So let's get started. We start with a foundation chain of 100 chain. Start with the slip knot first, and then make a chain of 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will go off the camera and meet you at 100. Now I got a foundation chain of 100. Then we will start on row 1 by making a single crochet in each chain across until the end of the row. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet. I will meet you at the end of the row of single crochet. Now we are at the end of row 1 that we just made a single crochet in each chain across. Then we will start on row 2 by chain 3 and turn. So this row we will make our triangle stitch. I will show you how we start a triangle stitch. So after we chain 3 and then we yarn over, pull through the loop on the first stitch. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the second stitch. Now we have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the next stitch. Now we have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. Then chain 2, 1, 2. Now we complete the first triangle stitch. I will show you the second one. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the previous triangle stitch here. Now we have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the next stitch. Now we have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the next stitch. Now we have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops and chain 2, 1, 2. Now we complete the second triangle stitch. We will keep repeating the same process to make a triangle stitch on row 2 or until the end of row 2. I will go off the camera and finish the row 2 and I will meet you there. Now we are at the end of row 2 of the triangle stitch. We will start row 3 by turn your work, and we will make 2 single crochet in each chain space and 2 single crochet here, 2 single crochet in each chain space, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and the next chain space we're gonna make 2 single crochet, 1, 2. On the next space we make 2 single crochet in the chain space, 1 and 2. So we will continue making the 2 single crochet in each chain space, and I will meet you at the end. Now we are at the end of row 3 that we just made 2 single crochet in each chain space until the end. Then we will start row 4 by repeating the same process of row 2 by like chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and start a triangle stitch again. So the process we will like repeating to make triangle stitch and 2 single crochet in each chain space, triangle stitch, 2 single crochet in each chain space until we got one piece of rectangle. I will show you the piece. So here we got one piece of rectangle by repeating row 2 and row 3 like triangle stitch and 2 single crochet in each chain space, triangle stitch, and 2 single crochet in each chain space. And I measure up my piece of the rectangle. The wide will be around 32 and the length is 38. After you got the piece, you just fold up the end. Let me fold up the end to be like this. So you leave the armhole about 8 inch or depend on what length you want to be, and then you steam up here. And for the armhole, we will crochet around the armhole by to make like this. And for the collar of the cocoon cardigan, we just do a single crochet in back loop until you got the rise about 2 inches. Okay, now you are done on the cardigan. I will put the description in the link below to writing pattern and more detail on it. Thank you for watching.